I woke up early. I woke up early. I brushed my teeth. I brushed my teeth. I took a shower. I took a shower. I got dressed. I got dressed. I made a cup of coffee. I made a cup of coffee. I checked my phone. I checked my phone. I left the house. I left the house. I forgot my umbrella. I forgot my umbrella. I missed my family. I missed my family. I borrowed some money. I borrowed some money. I spent too much money. I spent too much money. I chose the blue shirt. I chose the blue shirt. I planted a tree. I planted a tree. I repaired my bike. I repaired my bike. I painted the wall. I painted the wall. I washed the dishes. I washed the dishes. I won a prize. I won a prize. I prepared breakfast. I prepared breakfast. I opened a bank account. I opened a bank account. I closed the window. I closed the window. I answered the question. I answered the question. I walked to the park in the evening. I walked to the park in the evening. Children play on the swings. Children play on the swings. I sit on a bench. I sit on a bench. The weather is nice and sunny. The weather is nice and sunny. I see people walking their dogs. I see people walking their dogs. Some friends play football on the grass. Some friends play football on the grass. I read a book under a tree. I read a book under a tree. Birds sing in the trees. Birds sing in the trees. I take a deep breath of fresh air. I take a deep breath of fresh air.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.